Want to master SwiftUI, Firebase, login and sign up the easy way? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a complete app with Async Await, made simple for you. This is the app we will create. The user's credentials are stored in Firebase. We will now navigate to Firebase URL. At the moment, the authentication table is empty. There's no users in the table at the moment, but this will be populated later on. To demonstrate this feature, I will now create a new user's account. So to create a new user's account, we need to click on the sign up button. I'll just create an account. Password, I'll just enter test 123. Test 123 to confirm. Click on sign up. As you can see, when I refresh the browser, you'll see that there's a user that's been created within Firebase now. After creating a new account or logging in, the user is then navigated to the new contact screen that will allow the user to create a new contact, but that will be implemented in later tutorials. The user can also manage their accounts, such as sign out or delete the account. So if I click on sign out, I will be redirected to the login screen. Now I will log back in. I think the password was test 12345, or maybe it was test 6 at the end, or was it 123? Yes, it was test 123 for the password. Now I'll demonstrate that the user can delete their accounts. So if I show the browser again, you'll see that it has one account in the browser, which is within the authentication table within Firebase. Just loading at the moment. So there's one account. So now I'll delete the account. And then I will refresh the browser. As you can see, the user has been deleted from Firebase Authentication database table. So this is the tutorial we'll be creating. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In today's tutorial, we will create our Toast extension. The purpose of the Toast extension is to enable the UI to show alerts or messages at the bottom of the view. We need to create a new Swift file. Click on Next. Name the file view plus extension. We need to import SwiftUI, and then we need to extend from our view, and then add our new function that is called toast that accepts a message. Is showing, which is a binding bool, and also the duration, which is equal to 5.0. So it will be shown on the screen for 5.0 seconds. Return some view. We need a Z stack. And then we have to use self. The purpose of using self is to display the original view content. And then we need to check to see if the toast is currently visible or not. If it's showing that value, then we create a VStack, and then we push the toast to the bottom of the screen using a spacer, and then we display our toast, which includes our message. We have some padding around the text, background, which is black dot opacity 0.8, foreground color, white, corner radius 10, transition, move, edge dot bottom, combined with dot opacity. On line 30, what that code does, it slides up and fades in and out with animation. Padding dot bottom 50. That will add space from the bottom of the screen of 50 pixels, and then we need to create our dot on a pair, dispatch queue dot main, async after, deadline now, plus duration. So that will wait for the specified duration, and then it will disappear. The toast will disappear. So we need to call with animation is showing dot wrap value equals false. So that will enable the toast to be invisible. And then we also need to add animation dot ease in out value is showing wrapped value. And that will animate any changes. Now I'll just compile. Just compiling at the moment. It's compiled. So the next thing we need to go back into our previous views that we created and then call our toast function. I think that was in content. Content. Yeah, auth view on line 59. Make sure it's correct. I'll compile it again. Seems that is correct. And also, I think it was in oh yeah, it was within the login view on line 76. So that should be there. In our next tutorial, we will implement our sign-up view. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.